who have joined us to make this event meaningful. So to start, may we all rise for an invocation and the singing of our national anthem, both presented through an audiovisual presentation. Dr. Maria Linda Rachel M. Romias. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Thank you, Wayne. Muna-una po kablaang tiyang nag-iilit na yun, Mayor Alrico Favis, Ika-Visit Personal, Vice Mayor Victoria Ina Favis, tapos kami kinikita isang ganyan bayan members tayo, ako, Dr. Talitoy, isang ganyan bayan Carlos Laramon, Dr. Nansen, isang ganyan bayan Sherwin Thierry, isang ganyan bayan Cornelio Poler, and sa mga John Felix Corrado, Dr. Non. Sa ating lahat dito, si SK President Anneli Tolentino and SK Chairpersons, sa ating punong barangay, Charles Lucero and Council, si Engineer John Pos, ang ating Provincial Team Leader and staff, si Ma'am Jingle Ramon, nandito po ngayon. Si Sir Dave Zaragoza cannot make it today, and Dr. Adrina also, and staff ng Jingle, and ang ating Provincial HIV Coordinator, Elvin Rose Ferido. And our Chief of Hospital, Dr. Pocholo, represented by Sir Oreo de la Fuente. To our Local Youth Development Officer, Mylene Kicias, LGBTQIA Mag-Single President Ian Uhano, and LGBTQIA members, teachers and students from different high schools, our HIV Program Manager, Mark Lawrence Batat, and also to our MO4, Dr. Antonio Clusin. And of course, before I forget, lahat po ng RHU staff na nandito ngayon and our HRH, good afternoon po. It is with great pleasure and deep gratitude that I welcome each one of you to our celebration of World AIDS Day 2024, a day of reflection, action, and hope. This year's theme, Take the Right Path, inspires us to make informed choices, to foster compassion, and to commit the journey towards ending the HIV pandemic. Today, we stand together as a diverse community, healthcare professionals, advocates, policymakers, educators, and individuals living with or affected by HIV/AIDS, to shine a light on the progress we have made and the work that still lies ahead. Your presence here is a powerful...
To our Local Youth Development Officer,
sa punto harus ikawin sa pinakagandang post ng share ng mga leaders ng taong nakasalala ako. Pinapako sa akin. Mayroon
pangalan ma?
pero nung time na nag-diagnose ako, yung mga gamot na hinawakan ko, share naman. Hindi ako pagkamali na yun ang pinakasama ko. Infected pala.
Doon sa may yun?